Hello world, Shelly here, and it's time for another episode of Makeup and Chill, where I show you guys how I got this eye look, listen to some tunes, relax. And today I'm going to be using a palette that I put together myself from Adept Cosmetics, makers of the beautiful magnetic palettes. Here is the color scheme I put together. I will attempt to find all these shades and figure out what I did and link them all down below. That shade right there that's on my lid right now, oh Nelly, is so good. So I will link Adept Cosmetics below. I do have a discount code for them. It is an affiliate link, so I will get a small percentage if you decide to purchase from them. This is not sponsored. I paid for this myself. This was not even PR. It was on sale. And I've been wanting to try their eyeshadows, so I bought them. If you want to see how I got this eye look, keep on watching. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. Take care of each other. Let's make up and chill.
Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like a doll, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Now they keep us on speaking terms. We grow and we learn. I have no regrets, only forgets. A big thank you to life for giving us sand. Oh, when the timing's right, there's no wasteland. Oh, we were just children acting like adults, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. Having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Life keeps on moving. It's cold. Yes, life goes on changing. Says that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like a doll.